Hi guys, now let's solve the question on volume thing. For volume thing, basically there is one formula which is triple integration 1 dx dy dz, and it's a very simple one and the chances of coming to examination are high, and this is the simplest thing you can do. Simple integration is there by putting the values in formula. Let's see what the question said. Find the volume of tetrahedron bounded by coordinate plane which is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equals to 1. So let's see, this I had made for you guys the three-dimensional uh, coordinates, three-dimensional axis x, y, and z, and this is our tetrahedron, and these are our axes. So let's see what we are going to do. First of all, we are going to get the coordinates where we're going to write this, and before that, I want to tell you guys one thing, that for z-axis, the coordinates will be in the limits will be in the limits will be in 3D. For y-axis 2D, for x-axis single dimensional. Okay, so that is a thing which you have to remember. So now let's see how we're going to write the coordinates. Let's see, x by a. Okay, for x we're going to say x upon a equals to 1, so x equals to a. This is the first one. Okay, so let's just write for x. For x, as I mentioned earlier, it will be a, so it is a 0 0. Let me change the color also for better understanding. I like different colors, using different color shades. Y by b, y by b equals to 1, so the value of y will be b. Okay, so here it is b. Let's see for z by c. Z by c equals to 1, so value of z equals to c. Let's write the points here. Okay, for 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 z we had c, so it will be x value is 0, y the value is 0, and the z is c. For y we have 0, b, and 0. Okay, these are the values which we had. So now let's just put these values in our integration stuff. Integration, first z equals to 0. Z will be in 3-dimensional, so the let me just tell you how we're going to write this z. For z by c will be 1 minus x by a plus y by b. Sorry, minus y by b. So z will be c multiplication by 1 x by a minus y by b. Nothing we had done, very simply was this part will be there, this part will be here, and that for z, that and that part will be here, and that's just simple multiplication and simple thing which we have done. Okay, so let's put the value will be x by a minus y by b. Same thing we're going to do for y, so the value will be b 1 minus x by a, and for z it will be z equals to 0 and a, because in z axis, sorry for that folks, I don't know. Okay, x equals to 0 and x equals to a. In x axis the coordinates of y and z and y will be 0, because z and y will be 0 obviously in x axis, so this will be 0, this will be 0, x by a equals to 1, so x equals to a. The only thing will be x equals to a and 1 dx dy dz. Simple integration is here. I hope you guys will solve this thing, but let me just solve this in a very quick way, because nothing remains in the question. Just simply integrate, we have to integrate it. Only one thing, if you guys want to know that what we are going to do, what we are going to integrate first, so let me tell you that since here we have x and y, so first z will be integrated. First thing will be z. Here it is x, So second will be that, third will be z. So first integrating with z, we are going to get y equals to 0, b 1 minus x by a, x equals to 0, x equals to a, and here it will be z, limit z equals to 0, and our big value, which is like biggest value, like real big value, dx dy. Okay, now just we are solving it step by step. Solution is there. Put the value here, put the value here. By putting the value, it will be 1 minus x by a minus y by b dx dy. Now second is y. So let's just integrate it for y. So on integrating it with y, it will be y minus x by ay minus y square by 2b. The limits are 0 to b 1 minus x by a. So now we're going to put this limit here, and afterwards we're going to put the limit of x. So at the end, the answer will be abc upon 6. So that is the answer we are going to get. I'm not solving this whole because it's a very long integration and it is a very textbook integration. You know, the classic textbook integration which you say, in which you don't have to use your brain. Just listen to any soft music and solve this thing. Nothing is there, just a simplest integration you can see in your entire life. This is the answer. Let me know in comment section below if your answer is same or not. Till then, do whatever you want to do, man.